Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Geo English Academy YouTube channel. I'm your host, Nina, and I am so excited for today's episode.
Hello, I'm Nero, and I am currently looking for my coffee. Has anyone seen it?
Oh, Nero, you don't need coffee. You need confidence. Today, we are teaching our listeners how to introduce themselves so they can make new friends and feel great.
Introducing myself? That's the worst. Every time I meet someone, I just say, "Hi, I'm Nero," and then silence. I just look at my shoes.
Well, today we're going to fix that. But first, guys, if you want to improve your English every week, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps us keep Nero awake.
Yeah, do the thing. Click the button. Help me.
So, the topic is how to introduce yourself. This is the first step in any conversation.
It sounds easy, but it's actually hard, you know? My brain it stops working. I mean, what do I say after my name? I like bread?
Well, you could say that, but there are better ways. We are going to look at the formula for a perfect introduction. Okay, listeners, let's try something new. I am going to introduce myself at normal, natural speed. Nero, I want you to listen carefully and tell me 3 things I mentioned. Ready?
Okay, I'm focusing. I'm like a tiger. A very tired tiger.
Hi there, my name's Nina. I am originally from a small town in England, but I've been based in Lisbon for about 3 years now. I'm a full-time English teacher, and when I'm not working, I'm usually obsessed with baking sourdough bread and going for long walks by the beach. How about you?
Uh, Nina, was that English or a secret code? I heard Lisbon, and bread? Did you say you were a bread teacher?
No, not a bread teacher. Let's break down the vocabulary for everyone. First, I said originally from. This means the place where I was born.
Okay, originally from England. Got it.
Then I said based in. Nero, do you know what that means?
Like your base? Like a video game?
Sort of. It means the city where I live right now. I am based in Lisbon.
Ah, that's a cool way to say it. I'm based in my bed most of the time.
And finally, I said obsessed with. That means I love something very, very much. I am obsessed with baking.
Oh, I'm obsessed with, not doing homework.
Let's look at the structure. First, you start with a greeting. Nero, what do you use?
I just say hi, or yo if I'm feeling cool.
Hi is great, but remember our time expressions. In the morning, say good morning. In the afternoon, good afternoon. And in the evening, good evening.
Wait, what about good night? I say that all the time.
No, Nero. Good night is for saying goodbye or going to sleep. If you say good night when you arrive at a party, people will think you are leaving.
Oh, that explains why everyone looked sad when I arrived last Friday.
After the greeting, you give your name. I am Nina, or my name is Nina. Then you talk about your location.
Right, I'm from Italy.
Good. And to make it interesting, use a sequence word. After that, you can mention your job or your hobby.
So, I'm from Italy. After that, I'm a student.
Almost. We use after that to show the next part of the introduction. For example, I'm from Italy. After that, I should tell you that I'm a student who loves video games.
Speaking of mistakes, I have a story. You're gonna laugh at me, Nena.
I promise I won't laugh too much.
Well, last month I had a job interview. It was at 6 p.m. I was so nervous. I walked into the office, I looked at the boss, and I said, "Good night, Mr. Smith. I am Nero, and I want this job."
Oh no, Nero! At the beginning of the interview?
Yes, Mr. Smith looked at his watch and said, "But we just started." I was so confused. I thought good night was for when the sun goes down.
Oh, poor Nero. Listeners, please learn from him. Remember, good evening equals hello after 6 p.m. Good night equals goodbye, sleepy time.
Yeah, I didn't get the job, but I did get a very nice nap after I got home.
Okay, time to practice. Listeners, I am going to say a sentence and you have to fill in the blank with the correct word. At, in, or on. Nero, you try too. Number 1. I usually introduce myself the morning.
In the morning.
Correct. Number 2. My meeting is blank 2 p.m.
That's a specific time, so at.
Perfect. Last one. I start my new job blank Monday.
On Monday.
Well done. Now, listeners, here is your homework. Go to the comments and introduce yourself. Use this format: greeting, good morning, afternoon, evening, name, location, I'm from, but I live in, hobby, I'm obsessed with, the question, how about you? We are at the end of our episode. Nero, do you feel more confident now?
Proudly, yes, I am Nero, I am originally from Italy, I am based in my chair, and I am obsessed with snacks. How about you, Nena?
That was perfect. I'm obsessed with this podcast.
Okay, I'm done. Can I go back to my cloud now?
Yes, Nero. Go to sleep.
Good night, everyone.
To the camera, he finally used it correctly. See you next time, guys. Keep practicing and stay confident. Bye.
Bye-bye.